grow, still can't stop it.
What is up? I am Crypto Mason, and welcome back to the Crypto Mason YouTube channel. Shout out to the Gold Squad. We look for gold in every single aspect of our lives, and we always find it. Now, you may be wondering, Mason, why the heck are you wearing those glasses? Well, we're seeing green today, and these have like a green tint to them. We're seeing all green, okay? This is what we like to see. Look at Phantom. Did I not call this that Phantom was going to come back from this recent crash the fastest and the hardest? It is coming back pretty strong there. We also have Shiba Inu showing some signs of life there. But all altcoins are green. Bitcoin did bounce pretty sort of substantially here. If we go to the 4 hour, we do see a lot of green happening. Let me go on Heikin here. We do see that we did hit 44,000 for a little second there. We hit 44,000. Okay. I'm still watching this head and shoulders that started basically in July, right? July, August, right? We had this shoulder, now this head right here. And basically, I'm not counting this because this is just like a liquidation event. Like when they just push the price, like when you see a crazy wick like this, right? And then the candle closes like way up there. They're just trying to liquidate people, right? So I'm counting this as the second touch of this neckline. The neckline is right here at 39,700, okay? Which would mean that we're going to go like this, okay? Which would mean we're going to go like that. According to just this specific analysis, this does not have to play out. In fact, I don't want this to play out because that would mean that this is probably going to go like this, right? So I don't want that to play out, but that is what I'm tracking. Also tracking this Mercury retrograde period. This Mercury retrograde might be bullish. It might be bullish for this market. There's a lot of astrology that says that's lining up with the TA, right? Because that's what always happens, right? All of these technical analysis people are also cross-referencing their stuff with astrology because, I mean, you can't beat an 80% win rate, right? 80% of the time, the full moon has been the local bottom. We have a full moon on January 17, okay? Just some interesting stuff there. We also have the death cross, which, of course, is already, a lagging indicator, but it's about to happen right there. But altcoins, I'm focused on altcoins right now, dude. Like I was looking at Rose and Near. Where is Near? Also Fuse. Let's talk about Fuse because I'm almost back to break even on Fuse. Fuse was one of the L's that I took. I bought in at $1.50. Hey, I admit that I take L's in this market, dude. I admit that I take some L's. I literally bought the top of this. I bought like $1.50. We crashed all the way to 85 cents. But look at this insane recovery. That is an insane recovery. That's fast and a strong, amazing recovery right there from Fuse. Now look at this. Boom. All the way to 85. You could have said this was done. You could have said this was over, right? We were about to keep on that downtrend. We broke it immediately. I am bullish on Fuse. Big shout out to Fuse right there. And that's, if you guys don't know what that is, just do some research. I have mentioned it before. Now we have Plan B saying the bounce will be epic, and we did cover Manran on stream saying the bounce will be epic on January 8, and he's in the comments saying that he said it first. But basically, Plan B has zoomed out 1 week chart. Right? This is the 1 week Bitcoin chart. You can basically see all the way from 2013 here. And dude, it's just up only, dude. Like, come on. Like, seriously. Put money in here, you're in profit. Put money in here, you're in profit. Put money in here, you're in profit. Put money in here at the very top of 2017, you're in profit. In fact, you're doubled your money. Okay? Put money here. Profit, right? This is how Bitcoin works. Will it continue to work like this? If we go to 10K, I'm saying no. It's game over, right? Something is up if we go to 10K on Bitcoin. Now, The national root says we did bounce. So everybody's basically counting this as a bounce, or the bullish people are counting like, yep, okay, Bitcoin just bounced. Okay. So national root basically shows here's all of the cycles, right? 2011, 2013, 2017, 2021. Now, what you can see here is that, see this dotted line? The dotted line is a trend line from the start of the cycle. So you can see here, we got a touch, 3 touches, right? 3 touches here. This one's kind of weird, but you can see them go like this. That's the point of this. You can see the trend lines go like this, which means they're taking longer to go up. Like, you know, when the graph is like slowly going like a clock almost. And hopefully we don't go actually down. But the point is, this is going up and to the right, right? And that's like, the next cycle might just be like 5% returns or something crazy. But this is proof of lengthening cycles, diminishing returns. He says the cycle is not over. We got Wu Blockchain. Kazakhstan miners told us that the internet has been restored since January 11. Mining farms basically returned to normal. Bitcoin.com shows that the hash rate rose from 172 on January 10 to 191. Okay. Kazakhstan FUD is gone for Bitcoin. James K. Filan says that the XRP lawsuit has been extended to February 28 of 2022. So basically 3 months into 2022. You know, like that's like the end of February. February 28. It has been extended, okay? There's many reasons for it. He says, my belief is that before filing this motion, parties agreed, blah, 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 Corona, blah, blah, blah. Okay, a bunch of crazy stuff. But, what I think, this is correlating with the Mercury retrograde. This is correlating with the Mercury retrograde. They first moved this date to January 19. That's still in the retrograde. So now it has been moved to February 28. Okay? So that's out. You should be cheering for this. Unfortunately, it's going to take longer, but you should be cheering for this. That it's outside of that retrograde. That means stuff is going to plan. Bitcoin climbs after inflation jump rekindles hedging debate. So we have U.S. inflation rising to nearly a 4-decade high of 7% in December. 7% in December. If you have your money in a freaking savings account, you're losing all your money. Like a high interest savings account. You're getting eaten up. Okay, that's the dumbest idea you could ever do, is have your money in a high interest savings account. It makes no sense to give your money to the banks. We are against the banks. There's no point of putting your money in a bank until they can offer you 10%. No point. Now, moving on. Powell says that the private coins could compete with the Fed digital dollar. Do you know how big this is? He is saying that you can make private currencies and compete against their dollar. That's what he's saying. So they're in spirit of competition. Like they're cheering on competition here. And I know why, because it all comes back to stablecoins, which are stable against what? They're stable against the US dollar. Bitcoin is measured on this chart against what? The exact currency it's trying to usurp. Why are we measuring this in dollars? 1 Bitcoin is 1 Bitcoin. Then it's not valuable anymore, right? Because you're only valuing this. You need to value this against something else, or everything needs to be valued against Bitcoin, right? Look at that. Like they know this. They have smart people at the Federal Reserve, so they know that it's okay if you make a bunch of stable coins and compete with us, because your stablecoin reserves are probably in our US. You probably have to back that stablecoin 1-to-1 with our dollar. Crazy stuff, bro. Moving on, we got some Ripple updates. Ripple X has released XLS20 Dev Network. This is a big step for the NFTs on the XRP ledger. Basically, this proposal introduces extensions to the XRP ledger that would support a native NFT type, along with operations to enumerate, transfer, and hold such tokens. It gives advanced features like automatic royalties, which enable more sophisticated royalty structures for creators, and co-ownership, which expands possibilities to assets. So great stuff. This has come out, XLS20 dev. We also have Zoom Wallet has integrated with FIO. Okay? FIO, you guys can go claim your free username. You can claim your free username with FIO. Okay? Meaning, like, you know, if you have a .eth address, you're going to be able to have an @Zoom. Okay? Very cool. So go claim it for free. You don't even have to pay for it. Now, Bullish Exchange put out this video. Basically, they have a hybrid order book, combines automated market making with the best of central limit book orders. So once again, this is a hybrid of decentralized and centralized. That's the key. That's the key to all of this, and that is the end game. It's a hybrid, decentralized, centralized thing. Unfortunately, it just is going to go that way, and you're just going to see it go that way, right? Solana, the only reason Solana can do what it does is because it sacrificed, it had a trade-off. It traded off centralization for speed and, you know, scalability. That's why these are so behind, is because they don't want to trade that off. As soon as they trade that off, it can get faster, it can get better, which is sad that it has to do that. Altcoin Psycho, a simple rule. This is like the best thing I've ever heard. A simple rule that'll keep you out of a lot of trouble. Anytime you feel like it's a top, sell 25%. You'll likely be wrong 3 to 4 times, so by the time you fully exit your position, it's closer to the actual top. He does this himself. I agree, but I mean, this word right here, you're kind of selling on feeling, right? Feel like it's the top or know it's the top. I would rather like do the charts and know it's the top. But this is good advice in my opinion. That's some good advice right there. Moving on, we have NXN RVP right here putting out this screenshot. This screenshot went crazy on Twitter. Basically, it's like Jack defending Bitcoin against litigation. They actually might come for Bitcoin, right? This is what this basically says. They might try to come for Bitcoin here. So that could be some FUD coming up. I wanted to remind you that Digital Pound Foundation is still working hard. They put out a new article right here. They've been just putting out straight up articles, long articles about CBDCs. Very interesting. We have Quant Network. Delighted to have contributed to LackChain's ID framework. LackChain ID framework. Very cool right there. I still don't understand why they can't get some high quality graphics, but they're kind of high quality. We had John E. Deaton sharing this article saying Cardano and Ripple will fall out of the top 10. I don't care about this article really, because that's obviously Cardano can fall out of the top 10. That's not a problem to me, but XRP, if that falls out of the top 10, I don't think it will. But what I said right here is still calling it Ripple is contributing to this lawsuit not being over. Can someone talk about the problem of Ripple initially listing their coin on exchanges under the name Ripple, not XRP, with the logo too? This is a major problem, and I've never seen anyone address it. And I've still never seen anyone address it. I've still not seen, like, even though this tweet got 80 likes under John Deaton's tweet, he did not reply. They don't address this. And I say it's a major problem because investors could have potentially, that's the key word, could have potentially thought that they were investing in Ripple, the company, because the freaking logo and the name was Ripple, right? Only the ticker symbol was XRP. When I came back to crypto in 2019 and 2020, I saw that the Ripple logo and name was gone, and it was changed to XRP. And the XRP logo, I'm like, what is this XRP logo? Like, Ripple has a new logo? That's what I was thinking. Now, obviously, okay, don't leave a stupid comment before watching the whole argument. Obviously, I knew that I was investing in XRP and not Ripple, okay? I knew that. I knew that Ripple was a centralized company, right, that uses a decentralized cryptocurrency, right? So people replied to this, right? Basically saying like nobody knew, or basically saying that nobody thought they were buying into Ripple, right? Nobody thought they were actually buying into the company Ripple. And there's many replies right here. But yeah, that is an important point that nobody wants to talk about because they want to stay biased towards Ripple winning. But this is a mistake. In my opinion, that is a big mistake coming out. And there's still exchanges that use the name Ripple as the coin. They don't use XRP. They call it Ripple and the ticker symbol's XRP. From the start, it should have been XRP, XRP, XRP logo, not Ripple, XRP, Ripple logo, right? Just these small things, man. There's my little rant on that. I need to hear somebody talk about that because that's a key point. That's a key point. Any noob, like, how is there a way to even prove if somebody knew, if we all knew we were getting in, like, you know? I don't know. Now, last thing I want to talk about is the police and thief game NFT. This is on AVAX. I literally staked my my thief right here that I bought. And dude, this thing made me, how much did it make me? 69,000 loot, right? I just staked it. Boom, staked it for like 6 days or something. I don't even know how long. Maybe longer. And this thing made me 69,000 loot, which is right now $200 US, which is dope, right? Just for staking my NFT. But that is all we've got. Make sure you follow on Twitter, Instagram, join the Telegram group. Yes, market is doing well right now. We're going to see if we head back up to, you know, where would that be? Hold on. Let me tell you, 52,000 or 48,000, right? That's what I want to see. Quickly. Actually, that would confirm the Head and Shoulders. I don't know. Make sure you follow all the socials. I appreciate all of you for watching, and goodbye.
Crawl, steal.